dear students, welcome to our channel Mission Chemistry, and today we are going to discuss about the most important name reactions in organic chemistry. And now first we will start with Darjan's process. Darjan's process is nothing but preparation of haloalkanes from primary alcohols. We will see this one, and in the preparation of haloalkanes from primary alcohols, here we are treating primary alcohol with thionyl chloride. What is thionyl chloride? SOCl. Thionyl chloride. See here, I am treating with thionyl chloride. We will get chloroalkane and HCl plus SO2. And here HCl and SO2, they are obtained in the form of gaseous state. As they are obtained in the form of gaseous state, these two will leave the product side, means these two will escape. See here, once you recall Le Chatelier's principle, if few of the products leaves the product side, then what will happen? It leads to forward reaction, means it facilitates forward reaction. Then we will get more amount of chloroalkane here. Okay, it facilitates preparation of, or you can say getting more amount of haloalkanes. That's why this Darjan's process is the best method of preparation of haloalkanes. And see here, we will check the mechanism of this Darjan's process. See here, in ROH, oxygen is -1, electronegative, more electronegative one. Due to induction, it shows negative pole here. Okay, and if you take thionyl chloride, it has fluorines. Fluorine is the best leaving group compared to oxygen. Okay, and here chlorine, one of the chlorine will leave the molecule by taking bond pair, and here it is a negative pole and it is a positive pole. And see here, the bond pair, the lone pair present on oxygen will develop a bond between oxygen and sulfur. As a result, we will get here it gets positive charge after contributing a lone pair of electrons to develop bond between oxygen and sulfur. And see here deprotonation takes place. Deprotonation in the sense removal of hydrogen from the molecule. Hydrogen leaves the molecule in the form of H plus. Okay, and here this one leaves in the form of chloride ion. This chloride ion combines with H plus ion and we will get HCl. Okay, and see here, and it will move to this one oxygen and the positive charge will get cancelled, and here then we will get ROCl. And see here, chlorine will leave the molecule in the form of chloride ion here, Cl minus. Then it becomes nucleophile. Okay, and see here, the bond pair present between alkyl group and oxygen will move here after leaving the fluorine. As a result, it becomes carbocation. Then here we will get a carbocation plus nucleophile Cl minus, and here we will get O double bond S double bond O. See here, starting itself we discussed that one, it is something like nucleophilic substitution internal reaction, SNI reaction. Okay, and see here, it's nothing but SN1 reaction takes place here. The nucleophile Cl minus get attacks from front side. As a result, we will get retention configuration of the molecule. Then as a result, here we will get chloroalkane, and it is nothing but sulfur dioxide, and here Cl minus ion and H plus ion combines and it forms HCl. Here sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride in the form of gaseous state. Okay, these two escapes leaving the chloroalkane. Okay, According to Le-Chatelier principle, it facilitates forward reaction to get more amount of chloroalkane. Please note down this one. And in next class we will discuss few more name reactions. Okay, thank you.